Hello guys, here to kill some noobs on Arena. Yeah, and the lag begins. Just got my new skins and scopes. It's not really a new scope on my rifle. Yeah, I got new ones. I didn't make them. Can't be bothered to make them. I made my SMG and rifle before. Damn, I wanted to kill them. Maybe I'll join blue. There's a lot on green. A lot, just uneven teams. Need to help blue out. Try and snipe these guys that run past. Oh, no, I didn't kill. Oh, fuck. Damn. Let's see if I can get a kill here. But there's an AFK, just a guess. Oh, fine then. Kill yourself, will ya? If you guys please, I only just really started this week, so if you guys can like subscribe or like my videos, it would really help. Like, oh, I thought I was gonna go over. Apparently not. Oh, that was a terrible throw. An SM, I'm waiting for that head. Is there anyone up there? No. Where is this last guy? Maybe I'll just try. Now there's a load of Sky people just joining. Where's someone from my clan will join? It's about noobs this video, some brother never joined. Where is this guy? Is he camping? Yeah. Is he on here? No. Oh, he might be camping. Yep. Oh! Well then. I'd call that maybe a kill. Probably one SMG shot. Oh, he's right behind you. Oh crap, they might win if he got. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh yes, down the corner. Now run back and see him. Run back. Yes. Oh. Oh. Jeez. If we lose this, I'll be really pissed. Considering I thought I had him. Better not lose his yes, no, Quasaf, whatever your name is. Don't know. Oh, that was suicidal. Idiot. You better not die. Oh, you idiot. Bloody hell, I'm pissed. Maybe I should join. Yeah, I probably should join green. Yeah, I'm gonna get some kills over here. Count them. None isn't an answer. That was a rifle shot. Alright. Whoa! Sig went past. Thought I was gonna headshot me, but no, apparently not. Good feeling. Where's this snipers? I'll go in the base and confuse them. you kidding me? Oh, exude. Oh, man. Oh! God. Oh, now everyone's joining green. Bloody hell. I'm gonna finish it up after this round. Unless my time runs out. Oh. So, this is the end of my video. Can you please subscribe and like my videos? See you next time.